Hello friends, welcome back. Today's video is going to be really exciting because we are diving into a hot topic, the stylish fiber plant pots that are trending everywhere versus the classic plastic pots that almost every home has. I will walk you through the details of both pots, their looks, strength, maintenance and real life use. And in the end, we will do a clear comparison to find out which one truly deserves the crown as the best choice in today's market. If you love plants and want the perfect home for them, this video is just for you. This is a fiber pot, a modern choice for today's gardening lovers. It is made from high quality fiber material, which makes the pot both lightweight and very durable. Compared to traditional clay or ceramic pots, the natural sandy beige color gives it a classy and elegant look, while the round and spacious shape makes it perfect for planting medium to large sized plants that need good root space. When it comes to quality, fiber pots are strong, weather resistant, and do not break easily, which means you can use them for many years without worry. These pots are easily available in most local nurseries and also in many online gardening stores, so you don't have to struggle to find them. Talking about the price, a pot of this size generally comes in the range of 400 to 800 depending on the seller and quality. This makes it quite affordable compared to ceramic or stone pots, while still offering a stylish look. You can use this fiber pot for a variety of plants. Indoor plants like snake plant, peace lily, rubber plant, areca palm, as well as outdoor plants like hibiscus, rose, money plant, or flowering plants. This is a large fiber pot designed with a smooth grey textured finish that gives it a modern and stylish look. It is made from strong, lightweight fiber material which makes it easy to move but at the same time highly durable and long lasting. The cylindrical shape offers plenty of space for roots to spread, making it perfect for medium to large plants. In terms of quality, this pot is weather resistant, unbreakable, and suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, so you can keep it in your living room, balcony, garden, or terrace. Talking about availability, these fiber pots are now very common in nurseries and also available online. The price for this size generally ranges from 600 to 1200 depending on thickness and finish. It is an excellent choice for indoor plants like rubber plant, fiddle leaf fig, areca palm, or money plant, and also for outdoor plants like hibiscus, rose, or decorative plant. This is a square-shaped fiber pot designed with a smooth grey-white textured finish and decorative horizontal line patterns near the top that give it a very stylish and modern look. It is made from lightweight but durable fiber material, which makes it easy to carry while still being strong, weather resistant, and unbreakable. The square, deep shape provides enough root space, making it perfect for medium to large plants that need good soil depth. In terms of quality, this pot is excellent because it lasts for years without damage and can be used both indoors and outdoors. You can easily find such pots in local nurseries and online marketplaces, and the price usually ranges from 500 to 1000. Depending on size and thickness, it is suitable for a wide range of plants, indoor plants like money plants, peace lily, or areca palm, and outdoor plants like hibiscus, rose, and flowering shrubs. This is a tall designer fiber pot beautifully crafted with a unique 3D wave textured pattern on the surface that makes it look very stylish and elegant. It is made from premium quality lightweight fiber material which is easy to handle yet very strong and durable. The long cylindrical shape with a narrow base and wide opening gives it a modern decorative appeal while also providing good depth for plants that need more root space. When it comes to quality, this pot is excellent. It is weather resistant, unbreakable and long lasting, making it suitable for both indoor decoration and outdoor gardening. You can easily find this kind of pot in nurseries or online stores, and the price generally ranges between 1000 to 1800 depending on the size and design finish. This pot is specially suitable for ornamental indoor plants like areca palm, rubber plant or dracuna, as well as outdoor decorative plants like proton, ficus or flowering shrubs. Its modern artistic design makes it not just a plant container but also a decor piece that can enhance the beauty of your balcony, living room or garden entrance. This is a tall conical fiber pot designed with a smooth grey textured finish that gives it a sleek and modern look. The long tapering shape making it stand out as a decorative base, which also offering good depth of root growth, which is ideal for medium to large plants. Made from lightweight yet highly durable fiber material, this pot is easy to carry, weather resistant and unbreakable, ensuring it will last for many years both indoors and outdoors. When it comes to availability, such pots are now very common in nurseries and online gardening shops, and the price usually ranges between 900 to 1500 depending on the size and finish. This design is best suited for indoor ornamental plants like areca palm, snake plant or dracula, as well as outdoor plant also. Overall, this fiber conical pot is not just a plant container but also a stylish decor element perfect for enhancing the beauty of your living room, balcony, office or garden entrance. This is a plastic plant pot made from lightweight and durable plastic material that makes it very easy to carry and handle. It comes in a bright green color which instantly adds a fresh and lively touch your garden or indoor space. The pot has a round medium size shape that is simple yet practical, offering enough depth for most small or medium plants. In terms of quality, plastic pots are affordable and resistant to breakage, though they may not last as long as ceramic or fiber pots under harsh sunlight. These pots are widely available in almost every nursery, local market and online store. The price is quite budget friendly, usually between 50 to 200 depending on size and thickness. This pot is suitable for a variety of plants such as money plant, spider plant, small flowering plants, succulents or even kitchen herbs. Overall, it is a cost effective and convenient option for beginners and casual gardeners. This is a stylish plastic plant pot designed for both indoor and outdoor use. It is made of durable lightweight plastic material which makes it easy to handle and resistant to breakage. The pot comes in a soft pink color, adding a bright and cheerful touch to any space. Its design features a modern square shape with slightly rounded edges, giving it a sleek and contemporary look. The quality is strong and sturdy, suitable for long-term use without fading or cracking easily. These pots are commonly available in local plant nurseries, home decor shops, and online stores at an affordable price, usually ranging between 80 to 150 rupees depending on the size and seller. The size is medium, making it ideal for small to medium plants such as money plant, snake plant, aloe vera, succulent or decorative flowering plants. It's a versatile choice for balcony gardening, office desk or indoor decoration. This is a wide and shallow plastic plant pot perfect for decorative and gardening purposes. It is made of strong, lightweight plastic material that ensures durability and easy handling. The pot comes in a classic terracotta brown color, giving it a natural and traditional look similar to clay pots but with the added benefit of being unbreakable and long-lasting. The quality is sturdy and resistant to weather changes, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. These pots are easily available in nurseries, local markets and online at an affordable price, usually ranging between 120 to 200. Depending on the size, this type of pot is especially good for growing succulent bonsai plants, cacti, ground color plant or even flowering plants like petunia or marigold. This is a practical and aesthetic choice for balconies, terrace or garden decor. This is a classic rectangular plastic plant pot perfect for both home gardening and decorative purposes. It is made of durable and lightweight plastic material, making it easy to handle, weather resistant and long lasting. The pot comes in a terracotta orange color, giving it the natural look of clay pots while being unbreakable and low maintenance. Its design features a square top with a slightly tapered bottom and vertical embossed patterns on the sides, adding an elegant touch to its appearance. The quality is strong and sturdy, ensuring good support for soil and plants. These pots are widely available in nurseries, garden supply shops, and online platforms at an affordable price, usually between 150 to 250 depending on the size. This type of pot is specially suitable for medium-sized plants such as rose, hibiscus, money plant, tulsi, decorative flowering plants, or even small vegetable and herb gardening. It's a versatile choice for balconies, terrace, and home gardens. These are classic round plastic flower pots designed in a traditional style that resembles clay pots but with the advantages of being lightweight and unbreakable. Made from durable plastic material, they are long lasting, easy to clean, and resistant to weather changes. The terracotta brown color gives them a natural and earthy look, making them suitable for any garden or balcony setup. These pots come in different sizes from small to large, so you can choose according to your plant needs. The round shape with a wide mouth ensures enough space for soil and healthy root growth. They are easily available in nurseries, local markets, and online stores at an affordable range, usually between 60 to 200 depending on the size. These versatile pots are perfect for growing indoor plants, decorative flowers, tulsi herbs, small vegetable plants, and even shrubs. A practical choice for balcony gardens, terrace, or home decoration. This is a rectangular plastic railing planter specially designed for balcony and window gardening. It is made of durable, lightweight plastic that is strong enough to hold soil and plants while being easy to move and maintain. The pot comes in a bright red color, which adds a vibrant and decorative touch to any space. Its long rectangular shape provides enough room for multiple plants, making it perfect for creating a mini garden in limited spaces. The design includes two sturdy hooks on the back, allowing it to be easily mounted on balcony railing or window grills. The quality is weather resistant and long lasting, ensuring plants remain safe in both indoor and outdoor conditions. These railing planters are widely available in garden shops, nurseries, and online platforms, generally priced between 200 to 350 depending on the size. They are ideal for growing flower plants like petunia, marigold, and geranium, as well as herbs such as mint, coriander, and basil, making them a practical choice for urban balcony garden. When we compare fiber pots and plastic pots, both have their own advantages. Fiber pots are made from strong, weather-resistant material that is unbreakable, long-lasting, and gives a very stylish look to your garden. They are slightly more expensive, usually ranging from 400 to 1500, but they are durable and suitable for both indoor and outdoor plants like palm, hibiscus, or decorative shrubs. On the other hand, plastic pots are lightweight, very affordable, and available in many bright colors and sizes, usually costing between 50 to 200. They are easily to use and perfect for small plant herbs and succulent, but their quality may not last as long under harsh weather. So if you want budget friendly option, go for plastic pots, and if you want durable and premium look, fiber pots are the better choice. So friends, how did you like today's video? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Bye bye.